So the medium of spatial audio that's generally widely considered to be the mainstream medium in music, and film to, I'd actually argue, a much bigger extent, is Dolby Atmos. Apple's been investing a bunch of money into Dolby to integrate their software into their streaming service. So if you're on Apple Music, you'll see a little Dolby Atmos logo below it, which basically allows you to experience music in a three-dimensional space as opposed to just a stereo field, which is just a line. And it's important to kind of invest and learn this new tech, which kind of, thankfully, Bucks has the infrastructure for, because it's the future of music. And this tech isn't going anywhere, and it's only going to get better and better as time goes on. So learning it and kind of embracing it as opposed to rejecting it is very, very important. Hi, I'm Freddie Senior, and I study music production at Buckinghamshire New University. My kind of whole career progression all started with a talk that happened here. One of my lecturers, Brett, knows a famous producer who kind of broke Supergrass in the 90s, and his name's Sam Williams. He was going to come in and give a talk, just kind of spreading his experience, spreading his wisdom, etc. And I saw this and I thought, this is bloody brilliant. Meeting an actual producer from the 90s, right? Who produced an artist which I personally really enjoy. It was an insane opportunity, and you know, these opportunities that our lecturers create are just insane. So I walk into the room with him sitting there, and gotta be 100% honest with you, I was a little bit late. As soon as I walk through the door, I immediately get clocked, and he puts me on the spot immediately. And at this point, I just go, oh you know, thinking this person who has been painted as a really big deal is now just asking me questions in front of 30 other students. Don't make a tit of yourself, for God's sake. And then, all of a sudden, I explain who I am, what I do, why I enjoy music, you know, just being myself, obviously, but just very much thinking on the spot. And basically, somehow I did a good job, because he said to me, after kind of this whole interaction, that he'd be quite interested in working with me. And at that point, something clicked in my head of just like, okay, right, an opportunity has been given to me, I should probably grasp on this, right? Then I go over, I grab his email, and I shoot him a note literally 2 hours after that conversation. Then the day after, he gets back to me, and then we go back and forth for about a month or so, just sorting out logistics, trying to figure stuff out, and the entire time I'm going, this cannot be real. Until eventually, like I said, a month after, he invites me down to his studio in Oxford. And he picks me up from the train station, and we head over, and the entire time he's talking about this big project that he's working on, all the different aspects of his day job, and I'm thinking, okay, this is crazy. And we go down to the studio to kind of exchange songs, exchange ideas, and I play him some of the songs which I'd made both for uni projects, just for personal use. And he seemed to be really enjoying them, and he said that they were all good. I just breathed a huge sigh of relief, just thinking, and breathe. Well, one thing led to another, and apparently he liked me so much that he made me his assistant engineer. And now I've been putting all of his songs in spatial audio, and he just heard them for the first time today, so I'm absolutely buzzing about that, because he really enjoyed them. And again, sigh of relief that left my body. Absolutely insane. The genre of music that me and Sam are doing, it's all very cinematic, it's very grand, it's very big, it's very film focused, actually. And it's all designed to be able to put into film and things like that, where Dolby Atmos is much more of an industry standard than it is in music at the moment. So being able to learn that and being able to put it into that medium and giving that opportunity to me is absolutely bonkers, and I couldn't be happier with the way it's going. It's just really surreal what opportunities have been thrown my way, and you know, credit where it's due to Brett and the lecturers for giving these opportunities, because there's no way that I could have capitalized on it without them. So yeah, mental.